In this video, I just wanted to show you the ZippyCourses sales page. If you go to ZippyCourses.com, you can go check this out for yourself. Just kind of quickly wanted to elaborate a little bit more on what the plugin actually is and what it does. So essentially what you're going to get is a plugin that you're going to be able to add into any WordPress site. You could really use any theme you want, but they do have a theme that's included with ZippyCourses that'll make kind of like the formatting and the display of everything a little bit better. It's really not so much intended that you have like an existing blog and that you integrate it into your existing website, but that you had a course and you wanted to have this set up in its own property with its own domain. You can also set up ZippyCourses so that it's more of something where you have like multiple, I guess, courses inside of one place. So like let's say you wanted to teach how to paint, and you had a bunch of different courses on painting. You could basically make one website all about that and then have all the separate courses inside of that using ZippyCourses. So if you head over to the sales page, there's a 3-minute video. They show you how quickly it is to make modules and lessons with it. I'll be going over some of that a little more in depth as well throughout the course. But here you can see Derek. He talks about why they built ZippyCourses. There were a lot of other softwares out there that were pretty complex. They integrate with a lot of the major payment providers, as well as mail systems like MailChimp and Aweber, GetResponse. But more or less, this plugin is going to allow you to create a membership site very easily. Most of the options are very straightforward. So I'm going to be walking you through all of this, but I just, like I said, wanted to quickly show you the sales page here. They kind of show you a little bit of what's going on. You can get analytics for your courses. You can get a log, you'll have the capability so your students can log in, and everything is basically created inside of ZippyCourses here. They're talking about all the different courses you can create inside of the platform. And then they've got a couple different themes like I mentioned earlier. And in the next video, I'm actually going to show you, here it only shows one price point, but I'm actually going to show you the pricing page, which has a couple different options, and we'll compare those and take a quick look.